This is our second lesson on articles, and today we will talk about when do we use the article the with proper nouns. Now, a lot of people usually make a mistake when using the article the with a proper noun. So, today's video clip will help you correct your mistake, and by the end of the lesson, you will be able to use the article the much more efficiently with a proper noun. So, let's get started and see that when is the article the supposed to be used with a proper noun. So the article the comes along with those proper nouns that include the word of in them, such as the United States of America, the Statue of Liberty. Before we proceed, I would also like to share that names of places that include the words United or states in them also have the usage of the article the before their name, like the United Kingdom. The article the also is used along with proper nouns that are names of rivers, oceans, seas, deserts, and structures, like the Atlantic Ocean, the Eiffel Tower, the Arabian Sea, and the Sahara Desert. It is also used with plural nouns that are groups of people, such as the Jason family, or mountain ranges, such as the Karakoram range, because a mountain range is a group of mountains together. Similarly, we have the article the used with Bahamas, that's a group of islands. Now, these are a few exceptional cases where we use the article the along with the proper noun. But besides this, we need to understand that the article the is not supposed to be used with proper nouns. And the reason is that a proper noun is already something in specific. So we don't have to use the article the, which is another specific article along with a specific name. For example, when I'm talking about the city Karachi, I would say I live in Karachi, and I won't say I live in the Karachi. That would be an incorrect sentence. I want to climb Mount Everest. Neha is playing tennis. I'm not going to say the Neha is playing tennis because we are already talking about a person in particular, right? And over here, keep in mind that we do use the article the when we're talking about a mountain range because, like I told you before, that we do use it for a group of things. But in this case, we're just talking about one mountain in particular, that is Mount Everest. So you'll simply see, I want to climb Mount Everest. I really hope that you will be able to now use the article the along with the proper noun in a correct way and with much more confidence.